The 2023 Range Rover Sport comes with a completely new design. Of course, the first thing you will notice is the styling. It doesn't bring radical changes, but it looks notably different compared to the previous model. It feels sleeker and bolder, thanks to the new design language that is shared with a flagship Range Rover. The two models have a lot of things in common, not just in terms of aesthetics. Interior. The cabin design brings big improvements, both in terms of aesthetics and quality. The dashboard features a minimalistic design with clean lines and really nice materials. That elegant design is complemented by modern tech features, including two massive screens, a digital instrument cluster, and a nice-looking tablet-like infotainment screen. Engines. Under the hood, 2023 Range Rover Sport comes with 3 engines and 4 powertrain configurations. Base models come with the new 3.0-liter inline-six from the GLR's family of ignition engines. The engine puts out around 355 horsepower and offers more than decent performance. The same engine is available in a variant with 395 horsepower, which offers notably better driving dynamics. (2023) Range Rover Sport pricing. The base 2023 Range Rover Sport starts at around $85,000. The plug-in hybrid is available at around $105,000, while the range-topping models with V8 engine start at around $123,000.